I don't buy ice cream anymore. Now, I only make it like this and using 3 ingredients. In a large bowl, start by adding 500 milliliters of heavy cream, very cold. Next, using an electric mixer, whip until it combines and stiff peaks form. This is the right consistency. Now, pour in a pack containing 395 grams of cold condensed milk, 500 milliliters of milk, 1 cup containing 240 milliliters of chocolate powder made with 50% cocoa, and mix until the ingredients have incorporated and the chocolate powder has fully dissolved. Once you've done that, add another cup of chocolate powder and keep mixing until dissolved and combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comments section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. When that happens, add a 160-gram chocolate bar chopped into smaller pieces, and keep mixing until incorporated. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. This is the right blend. Now transfer all this batter to a large container. Spread until flat and even. Top this batter with dark chocolate shavings. Finally, take it to the freezer and leave it there for 8 hours. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.